Bitcoin hit a record high of over $81,000 on Monday after Donald Trump's victory and the election of some pro-crypto candidates to Congress. Together, that's raising hopes for lighter regulation of virtual money. The world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has more than doubled from its low in January. Crypto industry advocates spent over $119 million backing congressional candidates seen likely to support laws favorable to digital assets. The effort succeeded last week, with many chosen candidates winning, possibly ushering in a pro-crypto Congress. However, one analyst told Reuters that while Bitcoin's rise is based on hopes for reduced regulation, Trump's focus on other issues may mean he doesn't initially do much on crypto. The smaller cryptocurrency Ether also jumped in Monday trade.
With the rise of Donald Trump's second reign comes the second rise of cryptocurrency, as Bitcoin hit a record high of $75,000 on the 5th of November. It seems Trump's shift from condemning crypto to supporting it has paid off. His strong pro-deregulation stance made him an attractive candidate for the industry, who had been experiencing mass crackdowns earlier this year, culminating with one of its most iconic leaders, Sam Bankman-Fried, being sentenced for fraud and money laundering. Now Trump says he will make America the crypto capital of the world. As he puts it, we will have regulations, but from now on, the rules will be written by people who love your industry, not hate your industry. Investment and speculation heighten alongside people's excitement. What would this mean for crypto going forward? First, Trump promised to never sell the government's Bitcoin holdings. The holdings come from cryptocurrency assets seized from financial criminals, which the US had been regularly auctioning off up to this point.
Welcome to DRJ Crypto News Update. Welcome to episode 57. Subscribe now. The global cryptocurrency market has surpassed $3 trillion, largely driven by optimism surrounding Donald Trump's pro-crypto policies. Bitcoin recently reached record highs, nearing $100,000, as investors anticipate a more favorable regulatory environment under Trump, who has pledged to transform the US. The scenario of the global cryptocurrency market surpassing $3 trillion, fueled by pro-crypto promises from a hypothetical Trump administration, paints a picture of extraordinary optimism and momentum in the digital asset space. Pro-crypto policies, promises of reduced regulatory scrutiny and initiatives like establishing a Bitcoin reserve signal strong governmental support, creating investor confidence, institutional adoption, spot Bitcoin ETFs, favorable tax policies, and clarity on digital asset classifications could attract significant institutional and retail capital. Market sentiment. A positive political narrative can drive speculative investments and increase the valuation of not just Bitcoin but altcoins and decentralized finance. FI ecosystems of broader participation. Welcoming environment might bring in traditional finance giants, including hedge funds, pension funds, and retail investors seeking exposure to digital assets. Bitcoin dominance. Historically, Bitcoin has represented 40 to 50% of the market's total value. In this scenario, Bitcoin alone could account for $1.5 trillion, with its price surging past $90,000 to $100,000. Ethereum and altcoins. Ethereum's smart contract dominance and Layer 2 solutions could push its valuation above $800 billion. Other major players like Binance Coin, BNB, Solana, and newer projects could also see exponential growth. DeFi and NFTs, renewed interest in decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, combined with clearer regulations, could lead to a resurgence in these sectors, contributing hundreds of billions to the market. Bitcoin reserve. The idea of the US government holding Bitcoin reserves could set a precedent, encouraging other countries to adopt similar strategies, creating upward pressure on prices. Regulatory relief policies reducing the compliance burden for exchanges, startups, and miners could spark innovation and attract global talent and capital to the US. Market trends. The cryptocurrency market briefly hit $3 trillion in November 2021 during a bull run fueled by institutional interest and retail participation. Current market cap. As of late 2024, the market cap remains below $2 trillion due to regulatory uncertainty and global macroeconomic challenges. Achieving $3 trillion would require a combination of policy shift and investor enthusiasm. Volatility. Rapid market cap growth could lead to speculative bubbles, with unsustainable valuations in smaller projects. Regulatory backlash. A perceived lack of oversight might provoke criticism from regulators, leading to potential political opposition. Global competition. While the US might see growth, other regions with clearer frameworks, e.g., EU's MiCA regulations, could attract competing investments. Mainstream adoption. Surpassing $3 trillion could solidify cryptocurrencies as a core asset class in global finance. Geopolitical shifts. If governments begin holding cryptocurrencies as reserves, it could alter international monetary policy and challenge the dominance of fiat currencies like the US dollar. Tell me what you think of today's update. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.